Welcome to the Big Gill Show. Welcome to Big Gill Show. This is Michael Gilchrist Show.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I'm happy again. Just walking around the block, hearing the clocks go tickety-tock, just laughing and singing in the rain. I'm driving in the rain, just driving in the rain. What a glorious feeling. The roads are wet again. I hope people can drive, 'cause I don't want to see them collide. Just singing and driving in the rain. I cut my hair in the rain. I cut my hair in the rain. What a lovely feeling. My head can breathe again. My wife was getting pissed. If I wanted to get some loving, I had to clip. So I'm happy and ball in the rain. Just paid the $400 electric bill in the rain. Just paid the $400 electric bill in the rain. What a pissed off feeling. I'm not happy right now. My wife loves the heat and my pockets got pounds. But if I don't want to hear no lip, I just paid the grounds. So I'm seething and pissed in the rain. I'm getting the trash in the rain. Getting the trash in the rain. Washing dishes in the rain. Doing laundry in the rain. Kicking branches and rocks in the rain. I'm thinking in the rain. Just thinking in the rain. My phone is not waterproof. I thought I broke it. It wasn't working for a minute. I had to dry it off, so I feel stupid. Just thinking and feeling dumb in the rain. I love the rain. Everyone that knows me know I love the rain. So when it's wet and dripping like this, you know Big Gill is happy again. I'll take it when I can. Seeing trucks pass, I got to scan. Just happy and singing in the rain.
Welcome to the Big Gill Show. Welcome to Big Gill Show. This is Michael Gilchrist Show. Holla back at the Big Gill Show.